Volcanoes. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are formed when magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. At the surface, it erupts to form a lava flow and ash deposits. Over time, as the volcano continues to erupt, it'll get bigger and bigger. An erupting volcano is an active volcano that is having an eruption. A dormant volcano is an active volcano that is not erupting. There are many different types of volcanoes: cinder volcanoes, supervolcanoes, shield volcanoes, and composite volcanoes. Volcanoes are distinguished by their eruption style, composition, structure. Volcanoes act differently and form differently because they are made up of different types of rocks and minerals. Composite volcanoes. Composite volcanoes. A large steep volcano built up of alternating layers of lava and ash. Magma from the lava chamber travels up through the volcanic pipe and into the radiating dikes, and also out to the top when they erupt. Shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes have gentle slopes and can stretch across for hundreds of miles and up to 10,000 feet high. Magma from the magma chamber travels up through the volcanic tube and gently comes out the top of the volcano. Shield volcanoes are generally non-explosive. An example of a shield volcano are the islands of Hawaii. Those are all shield volcanoes. Supervolcanoes. While ordinary volcanoes can kill thousands of people and destroy entire cities, scientists believe that supervolcano explosion is big enough to affect everyone on the planet. Although they're called super, most people would have trouble spotting a supervolcano before it erupts. The main feature of a supervolcano is its large magma chamber, which is an underground reservoir filled with flowing hot rock under huge pressure. A supervolcanic eruption is rare. The last one occurred in Indonesia about 74,000 years ago. Geologists think these eruptions take place every 50,000 years. About 40 supervolcanoes are identified across the globe. But fortunately, no supervolcanic eruption has occurred within the last 1,000 years. Yellowstone is a dormant volcano, a dormant supervolcano, which means a major eruption could happen in the future. Cinder cone, cinder cone, cinder cone, volcanoes. An easily recognized volcano is the cinder cone. As you might expect from the name, these volcanoes consist mostly of loose, grainy cinders. They are small but can stretch miles across and up to 1,000 feet high. They have an open crater top where the lava flows out.
Calbuco is a volcano in Chile. It erupted on April 22, 2015 for the first time in 4 decades. The eruption lasted 90 minutes and sent a plume of volcanic ash 10 kilometers into the sky. A flow of lava was reported into Chapo Lake on the same day. The eruption caused airline flight cancellations to Chile as well as Argentina and Uruguay. Authorities evacuated 4,000 people from a zone within a 20-kilometer radius from the volcano. Further eruptions took place on April 24th, April 30th, 2015.
Volcanoes affect people in many different ways, some good and some bad. Some of the bad ways that volcanoes affect are houses, buildings, roads, fields can get covered with ash. Lava flows are almost always too slow to run over people, but they can certainly run over houses, roads, and any other structures. Aeroplanes are also affected when volcanoes erupt, as they release large amounts of ash into the air. The problem with this is that aircrafts cannot fly when there's ash in the air. Therefore, many flights are cancelled. Volcanic eruptions affect the economy by destroying infrastructure, such as businesses, farms, homes. This can cost millions, if not billions of dollars to repair or rebuild. Plants are destroyed over a wide area during an eruption. The good thing is that volcanic soil is very rich, so once everything cools off, plants can make a big comeback. Livestock and other animals have been killed by lava flows, pyroclastic flows, ferrofalls, atmospheric effects, gases, and tsunamis. They can also die from famine, forest fires, and earthquakes caused by or related to the eruptions.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation on volcanoes.